Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.